Are you determined and ready to start your own business in 2025? Do you want more money, more freedom, more control, and to be able to run a business from your cell phone? Okay, stay tuned because we are about to get into the absolute best online ideas for business for women in 2025. I mean, if you want to be a Porsche Pilates hottie and just run your entire business from your cell phone, this video is for you. And I know it because this is my entire specialty. I have a membership called 7-Figure Hotties where every single month I teach women how to launch online businesses. I've got about 4,000 students across the game, and my entire ethos is that you can build the business you want that does have the freedom you want to. We can have both. It's 2025. We don't have to settle for the money or the lifestyle. Let's just have it all. Ready? Let's get into it. But first, my name is Asia Abston. I'm CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and it is my dream to help you make more money while living your best life. So let's start the list. Now, this is in no particular order, okay? All of these ideas are good. But first up is digital products. I have a class called 1K a Day with my boy Runway Billionaire inside of the 7-Figure Hotties membership because digital products have been life-changing for me. Obviously, I'm a dropshipping girly, but digital products have definitely expanded my business and brought so much revenue into my business. A digital product is anything like an ebook, a template, an audio. There are so many options when it comes to digital products. And raise your hand if you've ever bought a digital product before. So you've engaged in these products and you can be a person who is selling them. They are a phenomenal low cost entryway business to get started that you could run from anywhere in the world as long as you've got Wi-Fi and a laptop. You could share your knowledge, you could share your hobby, you could teach whatever your expertise is, and it's pretty easy to get started. With websites like Teachable or Gumroad, you could be up and running and be selling these products in a day. And the best part about digital products is they are infinitely scalable. So you could create it one time and sell 1, 10, 100, 1,000, or 1,000,000 because you've created it already and there's no added labor on your part. I mean, win, win, win. Next up, we got to talk about freelancing. And this is for my service girls. Are you a copywriter? Are you an editor? Are you some type of contract expert? You could offer those services freelance. So someone else who needs that service can hire you on demand to fulfill that service for them. And there are so many sites you can use like Upwork or Fiverr to really create like a profile about yourself and what it is you offer. And that way people can find you and pay you directly. And again, this is a 100% virtual business with no overhead using the skills that you already have. There's nothing new for you to learn. You just have to get out there and market yourself. And if you're a LinkedIn girly, this one is specifically for you because that platform is so good for networking and like really putting your service out there and letting people know how they can hire you and why they should hire you. Next up is my absolute personal favorite and my first business model, e-commerce. So e-commerce is selling products online. This means that anybody from anywhere in the world can click onto your website and buy something that you're selling. Win-win. The scalability is also endless and billions of them are shopping on their computers every single day. How many ads do you get on your phone every single day? And how many things are you buying every single day? So put yourself in those shoes and start to think about e-commerce as an option for you to build a business. And another thing that I absolutely love about e-commerce, specifically when you're doing it the way I do it, which is as a drop shipper, is I am not the face of my business. It's not the Asia show. People are buying products that I've explained to them are incredible, but they're not buying it because it's about me. And I love that flexibility because you don't always want to be in front of the camera. You don't always want to be the influencer. Sometimes you just want to deliver the item you said you were going to deliver, when you said you were going to deliver it, collect your funds, and go on about your life. If you want to learn more about e-commerce, hit me up in my free training. This is an hour of me to walk you through everything you need to know to get started in dropshipping and e-commerce the smartest, fastest, and easiest way. Next up is print on demand. I just dropped a new YouTube video about this. Go watch it if you want to get the full scoop. But print on demand is super cool. It is an online way to sell products that already exist. You just tweak them and redesign them with your logo, your saying, or your design. Print on demand is super user-friendly, it's easy to begin, and it's a great way to really kind of test the waters about your business idea, your design idea, or if your audience is really interested in spending some money with you. My next idea for an online business for you in 2025 is blogging or affiliate marketing. Do not sleep on blogs. I know that once social media kind of came in and took over, people started putting blogs on the back burner, but that's what you think, and it's not necessarily true. My girl, Yo Quiero Dinero, just taught a masterclass inside of my membership all about building a six-figure blog. And my absolute favorite thing about this is that you could blog about anything, your passion, your interest, your hobby, your job. The options are absolutely limitless, and you can get as creative and detailed as you want. This could really serve as an outlet for all of your hopes, your passions, your dreams, and you can make money with it. And another thing I love about blogging and affiliate marketing is it creates passive income. You can set up systems where you talk about your offer or somebody else's if you're an affiliate and be making money from those systems in your sleep. A blog post that you posted 3 months ago can bring in a new sale. How many other businesses can say that? The next super juicy idea I have for you is becoming a UGC content creator. UGC stands for user-generated content. And user-generated content is something that people like myself in e-commerce businesses purchase from people like you, the UGC creators, so that we can market and promote our businesses. Because content is a whole big job. And sometimes we don't have the time or the energy or the skill set to create the absolute best content for our businesses. So we outsource that content creation to creators like yourself. And what I absolutely love about this business model is it doesn't require you to be an influencer. You can make tons of money as a UGC creator without having to have 5,000, 10,000, or 50,000 followers. I know this because our girl Salha just taught a UGC masterclass inside the 7-Figure Hotties membership, where she was explaining to us that she is making $8,000 for UGC videos that she doesn't even have to post on her own social media. How mind-blowing is that? So do not sleep on being a UGC creator if you are a woman in 2025 looking to create her own revenue, her own business, and her own financial freedom. And my final business idea for you girls is coaching or consulting. There's so much money to be made in this field, and it really is phenomenal because people are looking for guidance and support in all different types of areas. Some people want fitness coaching. Some people want mindset coaching. Some people want business coaching. No matter what you are into, there is a market for someone who wants to learn that niche, right? And you have an expertise in something. You have been doing a job for X amount of years. You're an expert in it. You've had a hobby for X amount of years or a passion for X amount of years. And there is someone ready, willing, and able to pay you to learn how to master that craft in the same way you have. And I really love coaching and consulting, especially these days, because we have Zoom. Zoom exists, and you can be a virtual coach or consultant. You don't have to physically drive anywhere or be in any city to particularly help people. Coaching and consulting is a phenomenal business play for 2025 that will give you not just the freedom to move around because you're running your business online, but give you the freedom to be an expert in your space and be recognized for your talent and what you have to give to that particular niche or community. Okay, now tell me in the comments which one of these was your favorite, which one is your least favorite. Have you tried any of these business ideas, and what are you going to be working on for 2025. We don't have to be overworked and overpaid anymore. Instead, we can be financially free, living our best life, and doing it from our cell phones. That is the goal for 2025 over here. Now, if you want to know more or get the guidance or support to implement any of these business ideas, connect with me in my 7-Figure Hotties membership at 7figurehotties.com. We've got all the guidance, the tips, the tricks, the support, and the expertise to help you build these businesses. And my absolute favorite component of 7-Figure Hotties is our community of hundreds of women who are going from 9 to 5 to full-blown entrepreneurs. I cannot wait to see you inside. Until then, catch me on Instagram for more tips and tricks about business and entrepreneurship. And I will see you next time. Make sure you subscribe.